and search for Vantage or Lenovo Vantage. When it opens up, you can look here up in the top right and go to My Device Settings, and then look for this Power Smart Settings area. Turn it off and switch it to Cool and Quiet. It will lower the fan so that it doesn't make that much noise, because they can get really noisy, and that's just one thing you can do with the Lenovo Vantage application. If you do not have it, you can go to the Lenovo support site and download it. Just go to vantage.lenovo.com and then click on Download Now, and then download Vantage again. After that, you'll get to the Microsoft App Store and you can click on Get